Today, let's discover how mussels are harvested. Did you know that mussel farms can harvest billions of mussels each crop and bring in millions of dollars in profits? This is a highly valuable commercial industry in many parts of the world because of low costs but high profits. If you don't believe me, join me in watching this video to see how mussel farms operate to make such profits. With growing human consumption and the need to protect our oceans from overfishing, society needs to find alternative, sustainable sources of protein. Mussel farming has rapidly expanded in many countries, serving as an important source of protein because green mussel meat is more delicious and nutritious than shrimp, fish eggs and meat, and because mussel shells are used to process mother-of-pearl handicrafts, and because they are easy to raise with low farming costs. Mussels are raised extensively in the waters of China, Thailand, the Philippines, France, Spain and elsewhere. Mussels are shaped like clams but have more elongated shells. Young mussels usually have green shells and when mature they are dark brown. In the wild they live in the subtle dome with water depth of 10 meters and salinity of 20 to 30% in rocky and gravelly places. For mussel farms to develop effectively, people must invest in quality breeds. Many farms will catch mussel seed from the sea to stock their farms, but the larger ones often train and breed their own quality mussels. Mussels selected for spawning are healthy individuals with a size of 85 to 100 millimeters, meaning the mussels have to be over 1 year old from the larval stage. Through many stages, the parent mussels are stimulated so that eggs and sperm are released and fertilized in the water. At this time, examining under a microscope, we see that the egg has been fertilized. As the fertilized eggs develop into D-shaped larvae, they will be transferred to the larval nursery tank. During this period, feed them on single-cell algae twice a day. It is the solution you see here that help the mussel seeds grow healthier. When they reach the desired size, the mussel seeds are ready to move to the new habitat. There are many different farming methods such as concentrate stakes, wooden stakes, hanging on rafts or ropes. Hanging on floats or rafts is widely used because it is suitable in windy areas, easy to move and manipulate. Choose mussel farming areas that are clean and unpolluted, such as lakes and bay areas that are not mixed with industrial wastewater. Many farms have successfully applied mussel farming in mesh bags. About 500 to 1,000 seeds can be stocked into each 2-meter long mesh bag. The upper part is securely tied to stakes or floating rafts. Mussels will cling to anything they can find in the water. These ropes will be full of mussels, making them easy to harvest. Fishermen just need to release the baby mussels and make sure the rope is submerged in the water just enough. Then the rest will grow on their own without needing to be fed like many other types of seafood and farming methods. After about 12 months, commercial mussels can be harvested with a size of 10 to 15 centimeters and a weight of 80 to 120 grams. Mussel farming not only brings high economic value but also help protect the ecological environment, because mussels do not need to be fed, they will eat plankton and contribute to cleaning seawater. A recent study in the UK shows that mussel farming will create a healthy environment for fish and mollusks in the area, improve water quality and create a food source to replace meat and fish. Mussel harvesting becomes easy with modern machinery and automatic transfer lines that help reduce labour and time. The rope is automatically put into a bag for cleaning on shore and later reused. The mussels are peeled off the string and then put into a rotating drum for cleaning. They are then put on the conveyor belt for sorting. Broken shells are removed. Mussels are packed into containers and transported to the processing factory. Here, tons of mussels can be processed every day. Mussels brought into the factory will be cleaned to remove sand or dirt, then shelled and packaged to be delivered. Every step must be handled quickly because when delivered to restaurants and supermarkets, it is necessary to ensure that the product is still fresh. Many dishes are made from mussels, which can be packaged and processed to serve consumer needs. Do you like sweet, delicious flavour of dishes made from mussels? Today's video ends here. How did you feel about today's video? Please comment below, like and share the video. Thank you for watching and we hope you subscribe.